How to make one name on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Now tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to Settings. Now go to Account Center. After that, go to Profile. Select your Facebook profile and then go to Name. And in this surname section, simply delete this, and then you can also put a dot if you want, and then review your changes. So in some devices or in some accounts, you will be able to add no surname to your account, while in some you cannot. So if you have that option, simply use that, and then if you don't, simply go to your surname, add something that you don't want, and review changes, and then it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.